a new life in France. The sun is beaming down on me and we are in the beautiful Dordogne, just down this very, very quiet little lane. This beautiful property that I'm going to take you into. There are not many properties that have got what this has got under 300,000 euros. This is a gem that I'm going to take you around. Let's go and have a look. Once inside this lovely house, we come through the front door into the hallway. Immediately to our left as we come in, we've got a lovely big bedroom, lovely light, airy, big windows looking out to the front. We then come into here, and I love it in here. This really lovely sitting room. Currently it's a sitting stroke dining room, but for me it's a lovely sitting room. Floor to ceiling, it's just open, airy, light. And then this little surprise, you turn and you look up to this lovely minstrel's gallery. So again, down on the first floor, not only have we got that bedroom, we've also got a snug come study. We go into a massive bathroom, really big bathroom with a lovely walk-in shower, big bath. Come off that then to a utility room, and then we weave our way round to the kitchen, a nice wrap round kitchen. Beautiful French windows that then go out onto that stunning garden. Lovely eating area. You go out again to the pool that's there. I really love that, and particularly this time of year, the height of summer. You've got plenty of shade to eat, but the sun is beaming down on that wonderful pool. We then go upstairs to the first floor. When we're up onto the first floor, there are 2 bedrooms up there, and they're serviced by a bathroom. Both nice, light, airy, biggish rooms that are there. And then let's go and have a look properly now at the outside. We're outside now in the garden, and behind us is the beautiful pool. On a day like today, I really feel like jumping in. What I love about this garden, the garden just sort of 2 sides of the house really. What we have here is obviously the pool. We've then got a lovely sort of rockery garden over there. Behind the camera, just coming off the kitchen, we've got 2 lovely eating areas. We've got a soft seat area, we've got an eating area here, but all around the garden, there are places to sit, relax, get some shade, be in the sun, enjoy the pool. Come around the other side of the house, we've got a veg patch as well, which is lovely. And then we just stretch around the garden with some really lovely mature trees giving you that shade. It's just lovely out here. The attention to detail as well is just gorgeous. And then actually you've got a private set of gates coming in, so you can drive in, and you've actually got like a garaging area, which is basically a big barn that's there. So we've got that, and that's all working from that. So this whole garden area is just absolutely beautiful. What better place to finish this particular property than outside? Behind me is this lovely little Japanese garden, is probably how I would describe it. Just blissful when you can just hear that running water behind. But actually, let's just reflect on the property. Think what you've got here. You've got a beautiful detached property in the Dordogne. Insides are lovely. You've got that feature sitting room as well. You've got the bedrooms, you've got the kitchen, you've got this lovely outside space for eating and for entertaining. And the bit you don't know for the property price, which is under £300,000, is everything I've shown you is included. Everything. And I found that out just before I did this final piece. And I was like, what a bargain in the Dordogne, with the pool, with everything thrown in. €285,000. If you're looking for a permanent or a holiday home in the Dordogne, then you must come and see this property. If you've enjoyed today's programme, please remember to press the subscribe button at the bottom. It's there for you to subscribe. Remember, each and every week on Here in a New Life in France, we bring you at least 2 properties. We now bring you a French lesson every week. We also bring you a story and also expert advice. You can also go to our website at newlifeinfrance.com, where you can find lots more information, lots of blogs, lots of content, lots of downloadable things about making that move, or if you're living here as well, actually how it all works. Really hope you've enjoyed today's programme, and look forward to seeing you next time.